Sometimes she snores at night, and sometimes she screams. Some nights she mumbles fragments of her dreams. And I like to write them down in my notebook in the dark and read them out aloud to her in the morning if she asks. Take my hand, take my hand. I like to concede, but when she squeezes, I find it hard to breathe. Mother, father, she says she has no scheme, searching for her parents in the darkness of a dream. Sometimes she's motionless, but sometimes she moves. Some nights she wanders in the shadow of the moon. I had to lock the windows, secure them with a rope, hide the knives, bar the glass, and then lay back and hope. Let me out, let me out. The wind blows from the west. She was searching through old boxes to stir up things best left.